thank you so much for accepting our invitation to participate in this very important topic. It's trending since the lockdown, and our PM had given the call. So today we are going to discuss, debate about the practicality and or impracticality of it. And let's be frank, forthright. Your strong opinions are important. So before that, we will be having the award ceremony for the Vocal for Local design competition, which we had organized after the lockdown. So we received tremendous entries for this amazing projects. Our eminent architect Vishwas Lele sir generously agreed to be the jury for the competition, and he said it was a tough ask because all the projects were wonderfully done. So we'll be presenting the awards to the winners of this. So we'll start with that. Before that, I would like to thank Laze Lifestyles, Mr. Shailendra Mehta and Aditi Mehta and his team, their team, for hosting this event. I request Shailendra ji to join me here and accept our welcome, and Aditi ji, his best half, so please join here and accept our thanks. I welcome our chief guest, architect Vishwas Lele sir, to accept our thanks. I now welcome our guest of honor, Rajiv Shah sir, to accept our thanks. Our guest of honor, Santosh Baheti sir, thank you so much for accepting our invitation. The first prize of the ANA Digest Vocal for Local design competition goes to Tomato Architectural Solutions, architects Jyotindra Nikam and Sakshi Nikam for the project Twam Restaurant. The second prize goes to architects Anand Deshmukh and Chetan Lahoti. Designer Sneha Jaju of Sara Studio was going to join us. The studio name is Mind Manifestation Studio, and it was for the project The Folk House. The third prize goes to, for a lawyer's office, for Mr. Mahadik, architect Ajay Gaikwad from Kolhapur. First consolation prize goes to Intra Design Studio for the project Artist's Home, architect Chinmay Huddar. The second consolation prize, that is technically the fifth prize, goes to architect Manish Shah for his project Nan Mahal. The third consolation prize goes to a wonderful restaurant cum lounge project, which was given deep thought by the owner, Mr. Pradeep Pabre, and designers. The prize goes to interior designers Pradeep Pabre, Ashish Andre, and Yogesh Gholap. I Love Amsterdam is this wonderful restaurant. Architect Vishwas sir also insisted on giving a jury's honorable mention to an entry for a differently unique stylized presentation. This goes to architect Karan Anil Ranka and architect Ronak Shah for the project Experiment 1 4 BHK Porwal House. So I request the sole jury and today's chief guest, architect Vishwas Lele sir, to express his views regarding the ANA Digest Vocal for Local design competition and his opinions regarding the entries, and share his judging experience of this competition and his advice to the winners and participants. Vishwas Lele sir.
Good afternoon. At the outset, right since the days that I got the announcement heard, Vocal for Local, I knew that it was not a jargon, or it was not just a slogan, but I think it was a concept. It was a concept of reaching out to the local. What is local? Local is our community. So why reaching out? It is like celebrating our own community. Why celebrate our own community? Because they are the hidden, latent skills and capabilities. That's what I think this announcement made a difference with all other slogans. This was not really speaking, monopolizing the local people, or this was not exactly like isolating those people, but it was like feeling proud about the local skills and capabilities that we always had a pride about, but we never knew how to reach to them. And my friends, all these people who got awarded or who participated in this novel competition did show that there was so much of skill and so much of capacities and so much of options that were available if you try to go a little deep and try to find out and do a little bit of research. Because such people, especially in the pandemic, such people always try to go in a cocoon and get intrigued about how it is going to be now and what all is going to happen to us, etc. But we designers, if we try to reach out to them and try to find out as to what exactly is hidden in the society, then I think they are going to be comfortable. They are going to have a nice smile on their face. Probably some of them will have a little dance also if you buy from them. So buy local also is not a movement which is again a slogan. Buy local means you are going to be little appreciative to the people, to your own community, and the slogan goes like this, because necessarily all these artisans and all these local markets and all these people, they're small people in the sense of their turnover or probably their sale and so on and so forth. But the slogan goes like this: it's better to small mart than Walmart. Because they may be small in their size, but they are very big as far as their capacities are concerned. And it's only us who can give them the scope, give them the new horizon, and show them as to how it could be, how else it could be, rather than doing little matkas and all that. How else it could be? Now that how else it could be is the question which we designers can ask only to ourselves and find out how these people can satisfy your design concept. With this, I rest and request Amit to invoke the discussion on the matter.
Okay, good afternoon, friends. Let's begin the debate. First up, raise your hand who feels strongly that architects and interior designers must go 100% vocal for local in their projects. This is who feels very staunchly about this. Shitesh sir.
Hi everyone, I am Shitesh Agrawal. I think necessity is the mother of all inventions. So basically, all imported furniture in the COVID situation, it became scarce. So our Indian products are really emerging very well now. To give a very simple example, we wanted to make a sofa a few days back. So we gave this design to one local vendor, and we told him that we want this design and to be done in original leather. But he was like, I am not an expert in doing it in original leather. But then we told him that we will guide you, we will support you, you make this for us. And we had to visit his workshop many a times, but he could really do an excellent job. So basically the idea should be that, and later on he came to me saying that he got 6 of the orders for the same sofa in same kind of leather. So the idea should be that we will have to support the local vendors also. And primarily about vocal for local, I think it doesn't mean any kind of boycott, because it will lead to an isolation. So that should not be the objective. Objective rather should be vocal for local should be so vocal that it should reach the entire globe. Our products, how they are going to reach to the entire globe, I think that should be the idea. To give a very simple example, if we look at tile industry, so vitrified tiles which were being imported a few years back, especially from China and everywhere. And just day before yesterday, I met somebody who's a manager of one leading brand. He was telling me that every small manufacturer in Morbi is right now exporting to US and Europe. So basically how that paradigm shift, sir, you spoke about that shift. So that can really happen if we support our vendors, and I think that is all about vocal for local.
Okay, well spoken. This debate is only about going vocal for local by architects and interior designers in this industry. Okay? Who feels that though going vocal for local is very good for a self-reliant India, but is not practical immediately to 100% ban imports by the design fraternity, and why? Yeah, Ashish ji.
Hi everyone. So see, I am a huge supporter of Vocal for Local since last so many years. But as we say that we will not import, what if other countries start telling us that they will not import, and where those tiles will go from Morbi to US and Europe, So it's basically we have to balance. जो यहाँ पे नहीं बन सकता है, नहीं बन रहा है. The world is a competition and world is a platform. I'm not talking only about China. No, it's the entire world. So we have to be in. The tiles started exporting because they rose the standards to that level, so that they can export. So without without taking our product to a global standard, I think there's a tough competition. We must raise our standard while supporting local. So that's what I feel. So it has to be a balanced approach.
Absolutely. Yeah, Kavita ji.
Particular project for which I had participated. For that particular project, we had everything which was done here in Pune. That project is a little old. It has been about 5 years now that we've completed. But this local vendor, the person who did the glass work, he was a very local vendor, and first time he was getting into doing beveling of glass and then getting into staining of glass in that. And we kind of went around with him, exploring and experimenting a few things with him. Because it was a learning experience for me also as to how glass is to be handled in terms of its nitty-gritties. So all our products, what we did, the sofa that we bought in, and we used a lot of glass for the doors. Then the punches which were there, we tried and reuse them out. So it's recycling up the products that we're doing, trying to kind of have control on the wastages which were taken care. So most of our products that we took in right out there were all local.
So you feel it's practical, it's possible. That's what you feel. Okay. That project we'll be seeing in the exhibition since it's shortlisted. Yeah, Yogesh. We'll come to Ashish after this. Yeah.
आम्ही केलेले सर्व प्रोजेक्ट मॅक्सिमम लोकल मटेरियलमध्येच आम्ही करतो. म्हणजे आत्तापर्यंत आम्ही असं कुठलाच प्रोजेक्ट केला नाही की ज्यासाठी काही इम्पोर्टेड मटेरियल वगैरे वापरले. त्याच्यामुळे असं काहीच नाही की इम्पोर्टेड मटेरियल वापरलं तरच प्रोजेक्ट चांगला होतो. होऊ शकतो चांगला प्रोजेक्ट म्हणजे लोकल मटेरियलमध्ये.
I love Amsterdam जे project Pradeep Pabde, Ashish Andre and you designed, which has won awards till now. So या project साठी the theme is Amsterdam. So but you could go for local materials.
आम्ही ज्यावेळेस हा प्रोजेक्ट करायचं ठरवलं त्यावेळेस आमचं बेसिक असं होतं की एक तर बजेटमध्ये बसला पाहिजे प्रोजेक्ट आणि लोकल मटेरियलमध्येच करायचा. ठीक आहे. त्यामुळे त्यांची थीम घेऊन आपण या मटेरियलमध्ये करू शकतो हे आम्ही आधी डिसाईड केलं आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग आम्ही प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट केला. त्यामुळं त्याच्यामध्ये जे काय मटेरियल वापरलं ते सगळं लोकलमधलंच आहे. म्हणजे आपले जे इंडियामध्ये अवेलेबल आहे किंवा जे पुण्यामध्ये आहे, जे आउटसाईडला जे पुण्याच्या आजूबाजूला जे मिळतात त्यातनंच तो प्रोजेक्ट कम्प्लीट केला आम्ही.
Ajay sir, you brought products from Bali which are amazing, and it has adorned so many wonderful projects all over. So what's your opinion about this? Your frank opinion.
Now, what I thought, we have done lots of Bali work from last many years, from last maybe 10 years or so. But I thought it has a limitation. In a sense, there is no creativity, you can say. We have a ready stuff and you buy it. So it is not that you go there and you give your design and you can make it. But now when we have worked with Laze and there are many local designers we have worked with. From plus many years we think that it is better to have a local, local for vocal in a sense. We can give our own designs, we can create our own designs and we can make and we can do it here. So
Okay.
Bali was, after 2-3 years we thought it is very typical material we are getting from there. So it was not creativity after 2 or 3 years, other than the Buddha. So that was, so it was not fun, you can say. Inner creativity comes up.
Okay. The gentleman sitting next to you, Rahul Bhai, you've been to China, you've been to Italy, you've been to many countries, and you've seen the finishes, and even they are very hardworking. Chinese people, they're very hardworking, and the face-off on the border has now diluted. And I've heard many designers saying कि we should go vocal for local, but आज वो time नहीं है. We cannot depend 100% on Indian manufacturers to supply everything. What's your opinion?
Exactly, we are not ready for 100%, but we should try for local for vocal. We are doing one project, maybe it's a 10,000 square feet bungalow. We everything designed for Italian furniture before lockdown. After lockdown, we are in a situation what to do now. And after 3 months or 4 months of you can say local searching, we can do everything from Pune itself. I think one bedroom cost, one room cost from Italian furniture maybe 2 crores plus, and I think that project maybe five bedrooms, and we are done in full five bedrooms in 5 crores only in India, in Pune. So that achievement and that club, exactly not the finish what we want from Italy, but definitely if you don't want to do from now Italy and China, so Pune with our local supports and system, what we get in this situation, it's really appreciable.
So your 5 crores went to an Indian agencies,
Yeah.
instead of going overseas.
Yeah, absolutely. And with the light time limits also.
आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू ॲड राहुलच्या त्याच्यात की 5 crores कॉस्ट झाली याचं रिझन मेन राहुल बिकॉज आय सॉ हिम वर्किंग ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 year अँड लास्ट 5 months आय थिंक डे अँड नाईट इज बिहाइंड दॅट वन बेडरूम अँड इज डुईंग दॅट सो आय टोटली ॲग्री राहुल तुझ्याबरोबर पण इट इज नॉट दॅट इझी फॉर यू ऑल्सो की असं सगळं करून सगळ्या प्रोजेक्टला एवढा वेळ नाही देऊ शकत तू त्याला
True, true.
True. Nilay.
I applaud for Rahul's effort.
Okay, now this is a little different. I have done projects outside country using totally Indian material. Okay, so I have been working in Africa since 2010. The first project I did had some material which was, they used to import it from Turkey, from Belgium, from China, mostly 3 places. Then second project, we tried to convince them for Indian material. They came here, they saw the materials. The only thing is we had to work so hard on the BOQ that from a simple nail to all the doors to C4X blocks for the construction to glass to paints to stone, everything we sent from here. We completed the whole project from using the Indian material, the local material. Manufacturing was local, procurement was done locally, everything local, and installation also were done by the local teams. I think most of them know. So it's not that difficult. Only 2 things we did not send from here was cement because it's banned and sand because it was not practical. Rest everything we sent from here. It was just about working little hard on the BOQ so that nothing is on shortfall there. That's it. But it was easy for us because we know our material, we know our people, we know their working style. And yes, after that I have been doing projects completely using the Indian material since then.
Nilay and Nidhi, Vasteya consultants, they have been working since 2 decades. Apart from doing many projects in India, which they are still doing, they've also done in Congo and other parts of Africa, Dubai. So they have removed an import license, so to promote Indian goods there. So as a design firm, they have their own import export license. So this insist to their clients in Africa that any product, it will come from India if we are doing that. So that's great. But do you sincerely feel that apart from tiles, which Morbi has really done well, or some other products like furniture where we have artisans and everything, but there are so many products, I think around 800 to 900 materials required to do one project. Do you think we have those resources all to satisfy all the categories?
Okay, this question reminds me of a small story. It's a true story written by Mikhail Gorbachev. When he was studying in Europe, he had 2 Japanese students with him. This is when the Second World War ended. Okay, and Japan was totally destroyed. The economy was crippling. Industries were not anymore functioning there. Those 2 Japanese students, they were studying there and they were using Japanese pencils. Okay, now that time the Japanese pencils were of very substandard quality. Uska jo lead hota, it used to keep breaking. So then they were suggested by those British students, ki, "Arey, why don't you go to some local market and buy a good pencil? Buy some good pens, they are cheap." Listening to this, they had tears in their eyes. What they said was, whatever good material you are getting here in England, if we don't use pencils from our country, then who will use that? Okay. If we don't appreciate, if we don't take efforts, then who will take it? So for us, if not now, then when? And if not us, then who? Barabar. So maybe some materials we may find the quality is not good, but with time and with some inputs, I am 100% sure that the local contractors and local manufacturers, they are ready to explore, they are ready to change it, and they are doing it 100%. Okay. So just one more thing I want to add. Let's not take this vocal for local as an emotion. Let's make it an attitude. That's it.
Well spoken. Ashish, you wanted to come in some time ago.
Yeah, actually, I just wanted to share with everyone that we are designing a bungalow near Shirdi. So there we had pre-decided along with the client that we'll use almost 100% material locally. So we've used Nevasa stone, we've used Morbi tiles, then teak from Goa, Konkan, Gujarat, MP, and you can say 99.9% leaving behind the LED chip which comes from mandatory China, only chip. The entire thing is almost completed in Indian material and it's come out really fine, and I'm sure I'll share the pics very soon. It's possible, and it's, the complete effect of working with local materials, local people, designing with a local context, gives you a really high kick. We are never see, when you buy a ready-made furniture from somewhere else, it's like 1000 सोफे बने हैं, उसमें का एक आप ले रहे हो, आपका कुछ नहीं है. So you are not a designer there, you are just a decorator there. When you design a dining chair, when you design a dining table, when you design a sofa with a local flavor, then you are doing a job of a designer and not a decorator. So I wanted to share with you all that it's possible and it's wonderful. Thank you.
Jyotindra and Sakshi, you all won this competition, Vocal for Local, for your restaurant Tuam. So there are two parts, one which you want to say something, and the other part is, can you share with us why you won this competition? Of course, the jury has adjudged it, but according to you, what design elements, what was your experience about going for Vocal for Local, that this project won this competition?
I think I'll answer it as one answer. The thing is, I think that we already have a lot of capabilities. Like we have artisans who can make excellent world-class things. I love to travel, and whenever I travel, I try to find what is happening where. Yeah. So for the project that we did there, we have used Athangudi tiles, which are fabulous actually. They make it, they are handmade, and these kind of things I think are. We need to give more relevance to that. Then we have done the wooden ceiling for it. So I'll just tell a story. Luckily, I had a chance to see the construction of a temple which was being done in wood, and it was it was so amazing that they were constructing it. We always thought that Rajasthan had the best of the carpenters, but when I saw them build that temple, most of them were above 70, and it is like a ritual for them, and they do a puja while doing it because it is a temple, and they build only for the temple. So they were. It was a very small 10 feet by 10 feet temple that they were building, and when they had constructed everything, and they were doing the carpentry on music. Means one of them was singing, and all of them were doing that. The last, and it was without any nail, without any joinery. They put the last wedge, and the whole structure stood up. it was really amazing. Means we have these kind of things happening in India that we don't need to. Means we always think. I always thought that Japan had I mean, they use the joinery very well. But this was really amazing, and that is one of the examples of how we already have the capability, but we are not using it to the fullest of the capacity. There's one more thing that I used to go to China also earlier. A friend of mine over there always said that over here in China we do whatever we can do the best, and the world is the buyer. So they make very small things which they don't think ki kaun lega. They just think in terms of this is what I can make the best, and there's the world that is going to be buying it. And since we have now become a part of the world, we can also think of putting our products into the larger market, which I think is a necessity now. And so all the products that we used at Twam, since the restaurant itself had a theme of being a Indian, authentic Indian food, and that's why the name is Twam, that means yourself in Sanskrit. So it gave us a very good opportunities to study what we can do to complete that theme, and everything that we bought there was locally made. And I won't say that I have used the best of the artisans, but I tried my level best to find whatever is really done well in India, and it is really cheap. It is really cheap. I mean, much cheaper than what we import from outside.
Okay. Friends, till now we've heard one side. We've seen one side of the coin, but all 5 examples we had were pertaining to furniture, stone, or certain elements in the interiors. But there is technology, CP fittings, bathroom fitting, or there are so many other products. You remember the technology, smart switches, audio, video. And now I would like to ask, before I come to you, Ajay, who of you feels that there are challenges in going 100% vocal for local? There are challenges, and any one or few challenges which you would like to share. I'll come to you. First we'll go to Ajay. He has something to say.
2012 मध्ये मी एक प्रोजेक्ट करत होतो, कारू नावाचा. इट्स ॲक्च्युली ऑल ओव्हर इंडियन क्राफ्ट स्टोअर. आयडिया माझीच होती क्लायंटसाठीची की आपण असं काहीतरी करूया की खूप लोक क्राफ्ट वापरतात आणि अवेलेबल नाही होत आहे. तर आम्ही कोल्हापूर चूज केलेलं त्यासाठी. तर ह्या 2012 ते 2014 मध्ये मी प्रॅक्टिस पूर्ण बंद केलेली. खूप लोकांनी मला वेडा काढलेलं त्यावेळी. तर ह्या 2012 ते 2014 मध्ये ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया, म्हणजे कच्छपासनं नॉर्थ ईस्ट आणि कन्याकुमारीपासनं हिमालया, सगळे लोकल आर्टिझन्स जवळपास पोहोचायचा प्रयत्न केला. अहमदाबादची सेप्ट युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये मला खूप मदत मिळाली. त्यांचं खूप क्राफ्टचं लिस्टिंग होतं. पण ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी करत असताना असं जाणवलं की आपण खूप मागं आहे महाराष्ट्रामध्ये, की महाराष्ट्रामध्ये ॲज जे लोकल क्राफ्ट म्हणून कुठेही नोटिफिकेशन्स नाही आहे, कोण आर्टिझन रजिस्टर नाही आहे. आपण महाराष्ट्राचं लोकल क्राफ्ट म्हणून जर क्वेश्चन विचारला तर लोक सांगतील वारली. ह्याच्या पलीकडे आपल्याकडे काय आहे? कोल्हापुरी चप्पल. अजून काय आहे? अजून लोक इकडे तिकडे विचार करतील आणि खाण्यावरच येतील. ह्याच्या पलीकडे नाही जाऊ शकत आहे. पुण्याची तांबटाळी, आपण किती लोक पुण्याच्या तांबटाळीतलं मटेरियल वापरतो किंवा काय करतो. अशा खूप साऱ्या गल्ल्या होत्या.
पैठणी.
हां, पैठणी आहे. अशा खूप साऱ्या गल्ल्या होत्या की त्या गल्ल्या फिरल्यानंतर हा 2 वर्षातला एक पॅराडिम शिफ्ट होता माझ्या प्रॅक्टिसमधला, की मी पूर्णपणे चेंज झालो. या सगळ्या प्रकरणात मला आर्किटेक्ट हबीब खानचा पेपर सापडला आहे की कंटेम्पररी व्हर्नॅक्युलर. तर कंटेम्पररी व्हर्नॅक्युलर काय स्टाईल आहे, काय आहे हा विषय, आणि हा कसा काम करतोय, ह्या विषयात थोडा मी विचार करत होतो. ज्यावेळी आता हे वोकल फॉर लोकल इतकं सोपं नाही आहे की आपण इतके ॲडिक्टेड आहोत की आत्ता जरी चेक केलं तर आपण वर्ण खालीपर्यंत इम्पोर्टेड आहोत, थोडक्यात सांगायचं तर. पण एवढं इझी नाही आहे की वोकल फॉर लोकल लगेच होऊ आपण, पण एवढं अवघड पण नाही आहे की आपण होऊ शकू. तर या सगळ्या गोष्टी करत असताना मला असं काही गोष्टी जाणवले की या लोकलच्या अजून काही रूट्स आहेत जे लोकल आर्टिझन्स आहेत, त्यांचं लोकल क्राफ्ट्स आहे की आपण आर्टिफॅक्ट्स वापरतो त्यातलं मॅक्झिमम आर्टिफॅक्ट्स मेड इन चायना आहेत. तर असे पण काही आर्टिफॅक्ट्स आहेत की जे लोकली खूप छान आहेत की, आणि ही डाईंग क्राफ्ट आहे इंडियातली की त्या गोष्टीकडे आपण लक्ष नाही देत आहे. ॲज अ आर्किटेक्ट ॲज अ इंटिरियर डिझायनर म्हणण्यापेक्षा ॲज अ डिझायनर आपण या गोष्टींना लक्ष दिलं पाहिजे, हे गरजेचं आहे. तर ह्या सगळ्या प्रवासात असं जाणवलं की जनरल लोकल क्राफ्ट इझिली विकलं नाही जात. म्हणजे समजा गुजरातमधलं मी काय क्राफ्ट आणलंय आणि ते असंच त्या शॉपमध्ये ठेवलं तर सहजासहजी ते ॲक्सेप्ट नाही झालं. तर आम्हाला एक वर्षानंतर कळालं की ह्याला गरज आहे, ह्याला कन्वर्ट करायची गरज आहे. तर आम्ही काय केलं की कंटेम्पररी डिझाईनमध्ये लोकल क्राफ्ट कन्वर्ट केलं. तर त्या आर्टिझन्स बरोबर काम करतोय, पण डिझाईन्स आमचे आहेत आणि ते बऱ्यापैकी चांगले सक्सेसफुल झालं आणि आता 5 वर्ष झाली आम्ही ते दुकान चालवतोय कोल्हापूरमध्ये. हा एक छोटासा प्रयत्न होता, पण यामध्ये आम्ही लोकल आर्टिझन्सला चांगला प्लॅटफॉर्म तयार करून दिला आहे. आता एक वर्षभरात आम्ही ग्लोबली म्हणजे वेबवर येतोय, लोकांची बरीच मागणी आहे आणि या सगळ्या ह्याच्यात मी लोकल आर्टिझनला बार्गेन नाही केलं कधी, कारण ती जी मी त्यांची गोष्टी बघितल्या की ह्यामध्ये इम्पॉर्टंट गोष्ट होती ती म्हणजे ओरिजिनॅलिटी. आता छत्तीसगडमधलं लॉस्ट वॅक्स आर्ट म्हणून डोकरा क्राफ्ट म्हणून आहे. हे डोकरा क्राफ्ट घेताना आम्हाला खूप अडचणी आल्या. ही झारा कम्युनिटी बनवते, पण ही झारा कम्युनिटी गावापासून बाहेर राहते, गावात नाही राहत. पण लोकांनी जे काही दलाल लोक आहेत त्या लोकांनी ना फॅक्टरी काढली आहे आणि ते क्राफ्ट फॅक्टरीमध्ये बनवतात. ही क्राफ्ट फॅक्टरी झाली आहे, ते लोकल नाही राहिलं. मग तर ते तुमच्या त्यासाठी सुद्धा तुम्हाला क्लीन आहे पाहिजे की तुम्ही काय घेताय, काय चूज करताय, कुणाकडनं घेताय. त्यामुळे आम्ही मॅक्झिमम लोकल आर्टिझन्सना सपोर्ट केला. मग ते तुमची मिनिएचर्स असू देत, पेंटिंग मधले सगळे काही क्राफ्ट असू देत किंवा वुडन क्राफ्ट असू देत, तर वूड, मड, मेटल या सगळ्या गोष्टी आल्या, फॅब्रिक आलं. या सगळ्या गोष्टी करत असताना आज एक 5-6 वर्षाचा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे की यात सगळे आर्टिझन्स मोबाईलवर आले, सगळे व्हॉट्सअपवर आहेत, सगळे बोलतात, काही ऑर्डर्स येतात त्या ऑर्डर्स क्लिअर करतात, पण बल्क आणि क्वांटिटी नाही होऊ शकत. हा एक त्यामधला ड्रॉबॅक आहे, बस बाकी काही नाही.
Very interesting. Those who are interested in this, do take his number before leaving informally during the lunch. Yes, Shitesh.
I think he's very correct that the contemporary style in which art can be done, because if you see even in Bali, the style is their vernacular style, but designs are so contemporary. They have adopted that style, and that of course should happen in our country as well. Yeah.
Well said. Yes, Ajay sir.
मला असं वाटतंय की जेव्हा मी म्हटलं तसं की बाली मी फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 इयर्स आणि मग मी एक्सप्लोर करत होतो की मला सिमिलर कोण करेल. मग मी जसं आशिष बरोबर फ्रॉम लास्ट मेनी इयर्स आय एम डुईंग. तर आता आमच्या मेनी साईजवरती जे मी बालीवरनं आणायचो आधी आणि मला डोक्यात काय कॉन्सेप्ट असेल की मला स्टोनमध्ये हे करायचं ते करायचं, मग मी कुठं आर्टिशन शोधणार. मग आता मी काय म्हणलं की हु इज द वन हु इज डुईंग इट. मग आता आशिषने आमचे खूप साईट केले, आम्हाला पाहिजे तसं त्यांनी बनवून गेलं फ्रॉम बुद्धा टू एव्हरीबडी. सो एव्हरीथिंग आता आशिष आमचं खूप फ्रॉम मेनी इयर्स इज वर्किंग फॉर अस. सो आम्ही काय केलं की लोकल म्हणजे फ्रॉम लास्ट मेनी इयर्स, आता लज इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग फॉर अस फ्रॉम मेनी इयर्स. सो असं करून आम्ही एक्सप्लोर केलं की कोण आपलं करू शकतं. आता आम्ही काय डायरेक्टली आर्टिशनला करून शोधू शकत नाहीये, पण जसं आता आशिष त्यांनी एवढं रिसर्च केलेलं आहे, एवढं स्टडी केलेलं आहे आणि नाव ही हॅज कम अप विथ समथिंग तो आपल्याला देऊ शकतो डायरेक्टली. व्हॉट आय मीन टू से इज की आपण आता लोकल आर्टिस्ट की हे जे लोक मेहनत करून इथपर्यंत आलेले आहे, आपण त्यांना कसं सपोर्ट करू शकतो आणि त्यांचं प्रोडक्ट कसं पुढे घेऊन जाऊ शकतो.
Well spoken. Now coming back to my original question, ki who feels ki though we should go vocal for local 100%, but there are challenges currently. Anybody feels there are challenges? Honestly, yeah, Rahul bhai.
चॅलेंजेस खूप आहेत. पहिल्यांदा डिझायनरनीच एक तर आपण मॉड्युलर कसं व्हायला पाहिजे. आपण फक्त डिझाईन्स करतो आणि मग त्याचं इन्स्टॉलेशन पासून तर त्याच्या मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगपर्यंत आपल्याला प्रोसेस माहिती नसल्यामुळे आपण डिझाईनच्या लिमिटेशन समजत नाही आणि आपण म्हणतो की हे साईटवरती होऊ शकतं. आणि ज्या गोष्टी आपल्याला फॅक्टरीत करता येतात आहेत, ज्या आपल्याला लोकली करता येतात आहेत, ह्याच्यावरती आपल्याला सगळ्यांना अभ्यास करावा लागणार आहे. अदरवाईज म्हणजे जे लोकल वोकल म्हणजे ते खूप लिमिटेशन होऊ शकेल आणि डिझायनरची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी असेल ह्याच्या पुढे की आपण जे पाहिजे सगळं साईटवरती तर त्याला मॉड्युलरमध्ये केवढं करता येईल. तर आपण डेफिनेटली चायना तर खूप मागे राहील. जेव्हा आपण सगळेजण एका प्लॅटफॉर्मवरती पेपरपासून विचार करायला चालू करू की हे असं पाहिजे तर एक 5 वर्षात आपण चायनाच्या पुढे असू. आय थिंक सो.
Excellent. Milinji, you've been importing plus you promoted Indian all these years. So what is your take now? Our current situation मध्ये.
लोकल मटेरियल बेस्ट राहील.
But you think जे चायनामधनं आपण इम्पोर्ट करायचो किंवा हे याला सगळ्या आतापर्यंत आपण जेवढे उदाहरण घेतले आहे रिपीट इट इज अबाउट स्टोन आर्टिझन्स फर्निचर.
ॲस्थेटिक पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ओके, पण मला सस्टेनेबिलिटी एवढी चायनाच्या मटेरियलची वाटली नाही जी आपल्या मटेरियलला आहे. Nowadays, the last 4-5 years, China material to completely banned केलं.
I remember the one consignment of lights which you felt it was totally जे luminance त्यांनी promise केलेलं it was not there.
Exactly.
I remember the LEDs होते I think. Okay. या शितेश.
I think challenge हा फार मोठा आहे because especially when it comes to time, okay, we are so used when you make a house in say a month's time, okay, do you really have that much available furniture or all the products basically? Now IKEA is there. You just go there. Now day before yesterday I saw a house entirely done by IKEA furniture, the owner himself with somebody's help, and excellent output. Okay, so it's not going to be so easy because as you said that we are talking about a very limited array of products and it is so vast, right from your as you mentioned fittings, fixtures, everything. And I remember a few years back I decided that much before this COVID and everything, I decided that I'll do one everything should be Indian in that project. So at the end I realized that more than 30% of the you say raw materials or whatever you get in the showrooms, so many of them are coming from outside that you can't even make out. So that challenge of course is going to be there.
Exactly. We can't be hypocritical about this. Chinmay.
So I was thinking about all the things all the experts are saying, and I think it is very important for a designer to understand what we are good at. So all the materials that we see which are Indian made or originated in India, right? For example, simple IPS flooring, right? So when someone said about the contemporization of Indian handicraft or Indian materials, so just an example that what we try to do in couple of projects, that we try to modernize the use of IPS. We used it in the elevation. We used China mosaic in the elevation of a bungalow. We used very simple light fixtures which we manufactured from Tambatari, like you mentioned, and the results were fantastic. But what I'm trying to say is it is very important to understand what we are good at. And like Shitesh said, I definitely don't think that there is 100% substitute we have for all the things that we use for the projects. But we can start from the things which we are good at. So those things will be getting promoted. And like someone said, we can get so much better in those areas that those domains we can start exporting out. So those things will start getting value in the international market, and then we can also parallelly start influencing the small areas like sofas, like you mentioned, like use of authentic leathers in local manufacturers. So we can start doing that. But again, it's important to understand what we are good at and focus on those areas and how we can implement them as a contemporary modern design.
So you are of the inclination that though you believe in self-reliant India and that design fraternity should go vocal for local, it's not practical to 100% ban imports today. This is your...
I think almost everyone will agree that 100% same quality, same design, same micro detailing is not possible as of now. But we can start focusing on individual domains in the areas, and then in a probably I'm not a right person to comment, but probably in a duration of 5 to 10 years we can start focusing on those elements and come up with something valuable.
कमेंट करायचं होतं.
Yes, Ajay.
लँडस्केप डिझायनर मी बघितलंय का आर्किटेक्ट काय आता झोपेतनं उठतो. काय होतं की झोपेतनं उठतो म्हणजे काय येतं की सगळं ते प्रोजेक्ट होतो, मग त्याला नंतर आर्टिफॅक्ट सुचतं, मग त्याला 2 दिवसात आर्टिफॅक्ट पाहिजे, बरोबर आहे. मग तो काय करणार, मग जाणार शोरूम मध्ये, मग चायना काय इटाली काय कसं, पण त्यांनी आधी महिन्याआधी सगळं प्लॅनिंग केलं असेल. आय एम जस्ट कमेंटिंग ऑन हिज टायमिंग. आणि वॉट राहुल टोल्ड की अबाउट द पेपर वर्क, तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे आधी, व्हॉट सॉर्ट ऑफ आर्टिफॅक्ट्स यू वॉन्ट, इफ यू प्लॅन आउट आणि आपल्या लोकल आर्टिस्टला तुम्ही वेळ दिला तर ही विल गिव्ह गुड. तुमच्याकडे 0 प्लॅनिंग असेल की डे 1 यू वॉन्ट समथिंग, मग काय नाही मिळत तुम्हाला. आणि तुम्ही असं एकदम 11th आवरला मला आता फर्निचर पाहिजे, परवाच ओपनिंग आहे, मग काय करणार? मग तुम्हाला जे मिळेल तुम्ही घेणार, चायना असेल की काय असेल. सो आय डोंट बिलीव्ह इन दॅट. सो ॲज अ लँडस्केप डिझायनर मी काय पुण्यातल्या सगळ्या डिझायनर बरोबर काम केलेलं आहे. सगळे दिग्गज जेवढे बसले सगळ्यांबरोबर मी कामं केले आणि मला सगळ्यांची ॲटिट्यूड माहिती आहे, सगळ्यांची कामाची पद्धत माहिती आहे. सो आय थिंक इट इज की आपण जागी लवकर झालो, आपल्याला काय पाहिजे आपण नोट डाऊन केलं अँड यू ॲलोकेट. पहिल्यापासून तुम्ही ॲलोकेट करा की मला थीम आहे, तू थीम डेव्हलप कर. वाय नॉट, ही विल डेव्हलप. तुम्ही वेळ द्या ना. आता सर जसं म्हटले तसं आर्टिझन तुम्हाला रातोरात नाही करणार, बल्ब पण मिळू शकत नाही बघा सर म्हटले, तर तुम्ही त्यांना वेळ द्या. दे विल प्रोड्यूस अ व्हेरी ब्युटिफुल जॉब. दॅट इज माय एक्सपिरियन्स. सो आय थिंक आर्किटेक्टने अवेअर व्हायची गरज आहे.
Ajay ji, very forthright from the heart without any sugarcoat.
I wanted to ask a question to Ajay. There is a very important issue which was unspoken so far by no one. As he said, that the architect also has to be visionary right from the beginning to imagine things as he would like to see in the life and blood. How much importance you give to the aspect of educating the client?
व्हेरी मच सर. पहिल्यापासून आपल्याला क्लायंटला अवेअर पण करा. व्हेन यू,
Because most of the times they impact you.
सर माझं
They
डोक्यात
impact
तेच
your
होतं
decision.
की पहिलं तुमची जे थिंकिंग प्रोसेस जाते ना, कारण की काय होतं की क्लायंटला काय कळत नाहीये. क्लायंट आपण जसं म्हणणार तसं तो करतो. आपण म्हणणार चायना तर चायना घेऊन जाणार, आपण म्हणलं लोकल तर लोकल. आपण काय बेस्ट डिझाईन आणि कन्व्हिन्स आपणच करतो ना.
I have an example of a few clients who impact your design sense so much that they, looking at the layout or looking at the elevations or whatever sections you do, they tell you that for this I know the source. Let's make a trip. And
असेल सर, म्हणजे that can-
Today the clients are so well traveled.
by your
they are
experience
well traveled, but they are not well traveled in India itself. I mean, they don't know what is all available in India. So educating the client comes there, and making them aware as to what all things are available
we
here,
have to
or may be
educate-
possible
we
there.
have to educate the client.
So let's do something interesting here. Let's have a skit here for 2 minutes and then we'll continue the debate. Santosh sir will be a client who insists that उनको China से ही लेना है, and one of you be the designer, architect who wants to convince him for local. So let's have a 2-minute skit here. So who will play? Ajay ji, please come forward. You have to walk the talk now. Come. Come. So Santosh sir, sit here. You are the client आणि तुमचा बंगलो आहे, कोरेगाव पार्क मध्ये एक बंगलो आहे आणि यू वॉन्ट टू गो टू इटली अँड चायना or China, what? And Ajay ji is your designer, not only landscape architect but the entire architect for your bungalow. So
अरे बंगला होणारच नाही.
we begin now.
काम झालं पण मिळणार नाहीये. चल कमान अजय.
So as a client you start.
मला 2 महिन्यात माझं डिझाईन करून पाहिजे एक गोष्ट, आणि पुढच्या 6 महिन्यात मला घर करून पाहिजे. चल बोला.
2 महिन्यात
मला डिझाईन करून पाहिजे 2 महिन्यात,
हो.
आणि 6 महिन्यात मला घर
नाही
करून
काय नाही. आय कॅन गिव्ह यू डिझाईन इन 15 days.
हा ओके.
आणि मग आपण आमचं शेड्यूल काय आहे की फॉर 15 days आम्ही तुम्हाला डिझाईन म्हणजे सगळं तुम्हाला प्रेझेंटेशन विल बी 15 days. नेक्स्ट 15 days विल बी मटेरियल अँड एव्हरीथिंग विल बी क्लोज. आणि मग आपण महिन्यानंतर वी कॅन गिव्ह द ऑर्डर टू वॉट एव्हर
आपण जे बोलतो तसं करू शकतो का?
100% मी
असं
इम्प्लिमेंट
कधीच होत नाही. मला तू दाखव ना की 15 दिवसात डिझाईन आपण कुठल्या क्लायंटचं क्लोज केलं. 1 मिनिट.
मी करतो. यू आर
नाही मी त्याला परत
कसं
ऍज अ
काय?
फ्रेंड पण सांगतो ना, मी तर क्लायंट आहे. 15 दिवसात डिझायनर भेटतच नाही क्लायंटला. एक गोष्ट ऐकून घे. हे बघ कसं आहे ना की आपल्याला रिअलिस्टिक बोलायला पाहिजे.
रिअलिस्टिकच मी बोलतो. मी काय म्हणतो नाही होत असं काय नाही, कारण की कोण करत नाही म्हणून
नाही
म्हणतो
असं
आपण.
नाही. 15 दिवसात डिझाईन क्लोज होत नाही. एक गोष्ट
होतं.
तुला असं वाटतं का की 15 दिवसात पुढच्या मटेरियल क्लोज होऊ शकतं?
100%.
कसं होऊ शकेल ना?
मी कामं केलेली आहे. मी सुझलॉनचं काम केलेलं
नाही, असं नाही.
व्हॉट आय मीन टू से आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेग्युलर क्लायंट. आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पर्सन लाईक अ सुझलॉन. त्यांचं डेडलाईन कशी असायची, की 10 दिवसात मला प्रेझेंटेशन पाहिजे, पुढच्या 10 दिवसात मला वर्किंग ड्रॉइंग पाहिजे, पुढच्या 10 दिवसात मला मटेरियल क्लोज करून पाहिजे.
बरोबर.
महिन्यात मला मटेरियल पॅलेट, आम्ही एवढं मोठे चार्ज करून मटेरियल पॅलेट पासून एव्हरीथिंग वी हॅव प्रेझेंटेड विथ इन अ मंथ. ऐकून घ्या संतोष, आणि त्यानंतर का नाही होऊ शकत मला?
असं होत नाही ना, आपण म्हणायला
का नाही होत?
नाही सुझलॉन
नाही,
एक
मी काय
नाही, आपण प्रत्येक वेळेला सुझलॉनला नाही कम्पेअर करू
मी
शकत.
काय म्हणतो,
बरं, मी घरची सून आहे, सो मी सांगतो पप्पा ऐकून तर घ्या ना, ते बोलतायत तर ऐकून घ्या. ते म्हणतायत ना तर
see how I have to, मी तुम्हाला काय म्हटलं की 15 दिवसात मी करणार म्हणजे करणार. दॅट इज माय चॅलेंज.
पुढचा क्लायंट तुझ्याकडे पाठवतो मी. नाही कसं आहे बेसिकली,
वी डोंट हॅव, आमच्याकडे भरपूर प्रोजेक्ट.
नाही मी काय म्हणतो,
मला खेळायला वेळ नाहीये.
हं.
फर्स्ट थिंग,
हं,
आय डोंट हॅव ओनली यू एज अ क्लायंट.
हं.
सिम्पल.
बरोबर.
माझ्याकडे आता 10 क्लायंट आहे ना, एकानंतर एक झालं, तर मी
अजय सर तुम्ही इगो हर्ट केला क्लायंटचा.
असं आहे. सो ओके, सो व्हॉट आय मीन टू से इज की कसं आहे ना की माझ्याकडे भरपूर बाकी पण प्रोजेक्ट आहे टू यु नो लुक आउट.
आणि तू पर्सनल वर जाऊ नको, तू ओव्हरऑल बोल. काय होतं की यू आर टेकिंग इट पर्सनल. मला काय म्हणायचं, प्रॅक्टिकल काय आहे की आपण करू शकतो का, करू शकतो म्हणून नाही रे, तो पर्सनल झाला विषय,
आता कसं आहे?
प्रॅक्टिकली होत नाही. आता कसं होतं की तू
बंगलोरला मला वाटतं की काय करायला प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे नाही होत.
लँडस्केप इज अ डिफरंट टास्क. मी तुला लँडस्केपचं नाही सांगत, लँडस्केपला तुझं फिक्स.
पप्पा आणि आपल्या चायनाला जायचं ना सगळं घ्यायला यावेळेला.
चायनाला जाऊया, पण आता बेसिकली माझ्या डिझाईनच फायनल होत
Design
नाही.
final होत.
तर मला काय म्हणायचं, बेसिक देर आम्ही जे तू पण पुढे ये. बेसिक कसं आहे ना, क्रक्स ऑफ दॅट काय माहिती का, की एवढं इझी नाहीये. जसं आपण आता मगाशी बरं शितेशनी पण बोलला, जसं चायनाचा टाईल्सचा जसं विषय बोलला की एक मोरबी छान डेव्हलप झाले. कुणी मोरबीला गेलंय का असं स्पेसिफिक वेळ काढून? तर मोरबीला जसं गेलं, आपल्याला चायनाला गेल्यासारखं वाटतं की समजा 100 डिझाईन बघायच्या, तर यू कॅन सी ॲट अ टाइम 100 फॅक्टरीज देअर. तर तसं आपल्याकडे फर्निचरचं काय आहे का? पुण्यात 2, मुंबईत 5, अहमदाबादला 10, दिल्लीला 40. मग एवढा वेळ तुम्ही देऊ शकाल का? नुसता एका क्लायंटचा बंगल्याचा सोफा घ्यायचा, तर तू 4 ठिकाणी ट्रॅव्हल करणार का? प्रॅक्टिकल गोष्ट आहे. मी काय म्हणतो तुला की असं नाही की 6 महिन्यात होऊ शकत. 6 महिन्यात पुण्यात का 1.5 महिन्यात पण घर करून देतो आपण. पण जर तुला काहीतरी वेगळं पाहिजे, समजा जर माझ्यासारखा कटकटा क्लायंट असेल, तर त्याला समजा हे नाही ते पाहिजे, ह्याच्यात हे लेदर पाहिजे, ते सगळं झालं की मग त्याला त्याच कंपनीचं हँडल पाहिजे. असं बघायला मिळत नाही तुला.
ते आहे, पण कोणीतरी इंटिरियर डिझायनरला बसायला पाहिजे डिबेट विथ.
हा, एनीबडी एल्स वॉन्ट्स टू जॉईन इन? निधी?
नाही असू दे. नाही, इट्स नॉट अ डिबेट. मला काय म्हणायचं, क्रक्स नाही, मला क्रक्स काय सांगायचं याचं सगळ्यांचं, की इट इज नॉट दॅट इझी. 100% सगळ्यांना वाटतं की आपण लोकली सगळं करायला पाहिजे. जसं मोरबीचं झालं आहे, तसं आता इंडियात करायला आपल्या लोकांचा हात पाहिजे. म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहिती नसेल तर लॉकडाऊनच्या पिरियडमध्ये मानेसरला दिल्लीला एक मोठी मीटिंग होती. आय बीन ट्रॅव्हल देअर इन लॉकडाऊन पिरियड, की तिकडे वोकल फॉर लोकलसाठी त्यांनी सगळ्यांनी हे केलं होतं. तिथं सेम मुद्दा मांडला की जसं मोरबीला काय काल झालेलं नाही. मोरबी 15 वर्षापासून मोदी सीएम असताना त्यांनी तिथे मेहनत करून त्याला काय गव्हर्नमेंटच्या नॉर्म्स काय सबसिडीज दिल्या, तेव्हा तिथे एवढ्या मोठ्या फॅक्टरीज आल्यात. आणि खरंच सांगतो की मोरबीतनं चायनाला टाईल्स एक्सपोर्ट होतात. म्हणजे वर्ल्डला जातात जाऊ देत, पण चायनाला जातात, हे लक्षात ठेवा. तर तसं काहीतरी इंडियात फर्निचरसाठी किंवा लाईट फिटिंगसाठी किंवा आर्टिफॅक्टसाठी व्हायला पाहिजे. आणि त्यासाठी आपण लोकांनी पण सगळ्यांनी हात द्यायला पाहिजे. म्हणजे फायटिंग अँड ऑल दिस डिफरंट, पण गव्हर्नमेंटला काय कमी आहे हे सांगायलाच नाहीये कुणी. गव्हर्नमेंटकडे जाण्यासाठी आपली एक बॉडी तयार पाहिजे की बाबा असं यांना काहीतरी तुम्ही द्या, किंवा जे काय आहेत. आम्ही आता सुरुवातीला असं तिथे मानेसरला सजेशन दिलं होतं की कमीत कमी इंडियात काय आर्टिझन्स आहेत. मला तर माहिती पण नाहीये, म्हणजे मला वेळ नाही म्हणायचं, मला माहिती पण नाही. मला फर्निचर करायचं इथं, तर कोण आहे? इथे 4-5 जण आहेत. तू सांग मला मुंबईला कोण येतं? म्हणून माहित नाही मला मुंबईला कोण येतं, कारण मला पुण्यातले माहिती आहे. तर सगळे पुण्यातले, मुंबईतले, अहमदाबादचे, यांच्या सगळ्यांचं कमीत कमी आपण एक डिक्शनरी जरी तयार केली ना, तरी सगळ्यांना इझी होऊन जाईल ते काम. म्हणजे सगळ्यांना एकत्र आणून फॅक्टरी होईल, तर ते बहुतेक आफ्टर 10 years होईल सगळं. पण आता कमीत कमी आपल्याला हे तर पाहिजे की पुण्यात काय समजा सोफा मॅन्युफॅक्चरर आहे. एक्झॅक्टली राईट,
मूव फास्ट.
करेक्ट. जसं मगाशी राहुल म्हणला तसं की त्याच्याबरोबर आपण मॉड्युलर फर्निचरचं डिझाईन किती जणांच्या ऑफिसमधनं होऊ शकतं? होतच नाही आपल्याकडनं. आपण बेसिक लेआउट, प्लॅन, इलेव्हेशन, 3D संपलं. मॉड्युलर फर्निचरचं डिझाईन ही कन्सेप्ट वेगळी अख्खी. तर हे पण आपल्याकडनं ऑफिसमधून, म्हणजे अशा खूप गोष्टी आपल्याला चेंज करायला पाहिजे. मग आपण वोकल फॉर लोकलला जोर देऊ शकू, माहिती का?
Give them a big round of applause for being so sporting. Thank you so much, Santosh sir. Thank you, Ajay sir. Now, I would like to come to someone who has convinced the client to go vocal for local. So, any one of you who has done a project which is 100% vocal for local, or large quotient of going vocal for local, and was there any debate between client and you, and did you convince? Does anybody has a half a incident like this to share? Ashish, you have? Same. So you convince the client.
As it is always the case, like sir just said, that most of our clients want to do something which they have already seen or they know because of what they have seen at some other place. Similarly, in our case also, because it was a restaurant, a commercial project. They wanted the things to be done in time, like sir also mentioned. That was the biggest challenge. So what they wanted, the client wanted us to do a China trip and get things from there. And since everybody knew about China, we had to tell him that China is something that is like every other project has China products. So it was not very difficult to convince that China is no more exclusive. That was much more easier. But to make him understand that we could have our own products which are entirely Indian at soul was one of the biggest difficulties. But then when we could take him to the places, just 2 places which we took him, we showed him IPS flooring, what character it has, what kind of finishes we can make out of that. Then it was much more, we had to take that much of efforts to show them, to get them convinced.
So this was a case study where how you can convince your clients for going vocal for local. Rahul bhai.
मी ज्या बंगल्याचं बोललो मगाशी, बंगला आम्ही डिझाईन करताना क्लायंट एवढा मोठा की त्याचं बुर्ज खलिफात घर आहे, त्याचं दुबईमध्ये बेसिक अजून बाकीचं सगळं आहे. आम्ही 15 दिवस दुबईमध्ये होतो की राहुल हे पाहिजे, हे करायचे, हे अशाच लाईट फिटिंग्स पाहिजेत. म्हणजे प्रत्येक गोष्ट 15 दिवसात आम्ही फक्त हेच बघितलं की हे कुठलं आहे आणि कुठलं ह्या घरात पाहिजे इंडियाच्या. बंगला डिझाईन झाल्यानंतर लॉकडाऊन आला, तोपर्यंत आम्ही जसं चायना, इटली ह्याच्यावरनं सगळं आमचं सोर्सिंगचं कोटेशन्स येऊन पडले होते. पण आता लॉकडाऊन नंतर तुम्हाला काहीच करता येणार नाही. म्हणजे चार्टर फ्लाईट करायची आणि आपल्याला इटली जायचं आहे आणि आपल्याला चायना जायचं आहे, इथपर्यंत गोष्टी आल्या. पण एंड कन्व्हिन्स करण्यापेक्षा आता आम्हाला ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह नव्हता की आता बंगल्याचं काम थांबवता येत नाही, की कधी होणार, किती वेळ लागणार आहे कोणालाच माहिती नाही, टाईम नाही. आपण काय करू शकतो, 2 महिने मी डिटेलिंग परत रिव्हर्स सगळं केलं की आता आपल्याला सगळं जर इथं करायचं तर आपल्याला काय काय करावं लागणार आहे. आणि सॅम्पलिंग पासून, म्हणजे आता छोटी गोष्ट जरी असली तरी स्केल आणि फिनिश या दोन्ही गोष्टी इम्पॉर्टंट आहेत. पण मग त्याचं स्केल आणि त्याचं फिनिश मिळतंय का आपल्याला, मग कोण करून देणार आपल्याला. याच्याकरता मी 5-5 तास कोणाच्या तरी फॅक्ट्रीत बसलोय की अरे करना पडेगा यार, थोड़ा तो करना पडेगा. राहुल भाई 7 बजे है, अभी घर पे जाना पड़ेगा, लॉकडाउन है, बाकी का जर 1 घंटा और रुकेंगे पर ये फिनिश करके कल के ऊपर हम लोग काम करेंगे. असं करता करता अख्खं घर आपण पुण्यातनं, मुंबईतनं, एवढ्या 2 ठिकाणातनं, समजा मॅक्सिमम अजून अहमदाबाद, ह्याच्या पलीकडे काही नाही केलं. पण प्रत्येक गोष्ट करताना लाईक गोल्ड लिफिंग जरी करायचंय तरी गोल्ड लिफिंगचं सॅम्पलिंगला त्याचा बेस करायचा आहे तर त्याला काय करायला पाहिजे आपण. म्हणजे मी म्हणतो की जेव्हा आपण मॉड्युलर फर्निचर किंवा असं जेव्हा आपल्याला येतं की नाही आता आपल्याला रस्ता बंद आहे आणि आपल्याला तर जायचंय किंवा पोहोचायचंय, तेव्हा आपल्याला सगळे ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह सापडतात. पण ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह सापडताना आपल्या लिमिटेशन किती आहेत, किंवा आपण मागच्या 10 वर्ष फक्त एवढंच काम केलं की प्लॅन एलिव्हेशन एक 3D करून दिला की आपलं काम साईटवरती सगळं होतंय. कोविडमुळे तर आपल्याला सोसायटीत पण काम करायचे चॅलेंजेस आहेत की बाबा सकाळी तुम्ही 7 वाजता किंवा 8 वाजताचं काम चालू व्हायचं ते आता 10ला चालू व्हायचंय, 2 तास बंद करायचं आणि 7 वाजता खाली करायचंय. तर तुम्ही ते पण अचीव्ह नाही करू शकत. मग तेव्हा जेव्हा तुम्हाला ह्या सगळ्या छोट्या मोठ्या गोष्टी आहेत तेव्हा तुम्हाला लोकल वोकलच करावं लागेल. ह्याच्यापेक्षा मला नाही वाटत की काय वेगळं आपण करू शकू.
पण जसं संतोष सर म्हणाले की राहुल यू डिड दिस फॉर 2-3 months, you went totally for that. But when you are handling 20 projects or 10 projects at a time, will you be able to do this on every project? Is it
सगळे जण आहेत माझ्याकरता, सो आय हॅव लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. त्यामुळे एकेकाला एक जण बघितलं तर विजूभाई, संतोष असल्यामुळे खूप इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग फॉर मी की या सगळ्या गोष्टींमध्ये जो एक्सपिरियन्स असतो, प्रत्येक गोष्टीतला एक्सपिरियन्सच काउंट होतो. म्हणजे समजा त्यांचा 35 वर्षाचा आहे तो 35 वर्षाचा प्रत्येक एक दिवसाचा एक्सपिरियन्स कामाला येतो. मग आपल्याला काय नाही करायचं हेच डिसाईड केलं एवढ्या 35 वर्षात, किंवा ज्या काय गोष्टी आहेत ना, काय काय करायचंय आपण रोज एक्सप्लोर करतो, पण काय नाही करायचं हे आपल्याला एक्सपिरियन्स सांगत असतं की हे करायचं नाहीये म्हणून आपल्याला. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट.
Now going from one landscape architect to another, Vandana, you heard another landscape architect speaking about this. What's your take on this?
This pandemic gave us a thought, food for thought. This is an attitude actually. I would not say it would be a trend, but if we have this attitude of going local for local always, things are possible. We will have to unlearn a lot of things and start somewhere. And my only worry right now is that this should not become a hashtag trend, that's it. This should go ahead as an attitude and we should all work towards it. We term it exotic and native, that's it. We don't call vocal and local, that's the difference, and you can convince the clients with those languages. So but yeah, at the end of the day, it's your attitude which matters.
Abhijit, coming to you. You have imported stuff and you've used, I've seen in projects like in Pandol, you used imported tiles. And what is your take now after pandemic? What is the current status of your mind?
It wasn't imported, it was a Italian-based company who were manufacturing in Morbi.
But whenever you
those version 5 machines which were imported from Italy. So I would prefer going vocal for local is much, but there are some restrictions. In particular, we are talking only about the tiles, furnitures. What about the CP fittings? Then what about the technology? As you said, the automations, the light fittings. It will take time, but not 100% we can be converted into vocal for locals. It will take time.
Absolutely, edge banding machines, if you see in all the modular factories or cutting machines, they are from Germany and it's proudly said कि German machines पे हम करते हैं. Will you trust Indian machinery when your modular vendor says Indian machine पे cutting होता है? Even design fraternity should be able to trust because everybody trusts foreign machines. So that is another point. Pradeep, you have imported so many times. तुम्ही खूपदा import केले products. You've been all over the world. आता current situation मध्ये तुमचं प्रांजळ मत काय? Honest.
सर आता बऱ्यापैकी क्लायंटला आपणच कन्व्हिन्स करतो की आपल्याला आता इंडियन मटेरियल मध्येच काम करायचंय. शक्य नाही आहे गोष्ट, पण मी आता एक फार्म हाऊस करतोय. म्हणजे एक मित्र आहेत आमदार विलास लांडे, त्यांचा एक मोठा फार्म हाऊस चालू आहे. तिथं 100% तिथल्याच जागेतल्या, नॉट इंडियन, पण तिथल्याच त्यांच्या जवळच्या प्रिमायसेस मधल्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आम्ही वापरतोय. त्यांच्या इथं सागाची झाडं होती, ती सगळी काढली आम्ही. त्याचं फर्निचर चालू केलंय बनवायला. त्यांची तिथं खाण आहे दगडाची, ते दगड काढलेत, दगडाचं बांधकाम चालू केलंय सगळं. अशा पद्धतीने जे काही मटेरियल त्यांच्या प्रिमायसेस मध्ये आहे ते सगळं आता कोकणातनं एक फक्त काही जांभा वगैरे दगड आणतोय. म्हणजे जवळपास राजस्थानला नेऊ नको मला, परत तिकडे गेला वेळ जातो, इकडे गेला जे काही जवळपास तुला मिळत त्यामध्ये कर. तर 100% मी जवळच्या मटेरियलमध्ये काम करायचा प्रयत्न करतोय. आणि नेक्स्ट टाइम म्हणजे भविष्यात आपण इंडियातल्या मटेरियलला नक्कीच प्राधान्य देऊ. आणि
पण आज 100% इम्पोर्ट बॅन करणं हे अकॉर्डिंग टू इज नॉट
शक्य नाही सर. मी केलं तरी बाकीचे नाही करणार, आणि बाकीच्यांना केलं तरी पूर्ण इंडिया तर नाही करणार. त्यामुळे प्रत्येकाने सुरुवात केली पाहिजे. जेवढे शक्य होईल तेवढं आपण करू शकतो. 100% होऊ नाही शकत, होऊ शकतं, पण त्याला वेळ खूप द्यावा लागेल, लगेच होणार नाही.
Sarang, I would like to come to you and know your opinion.
Basically, we are talking about products or services which can give us or which we can measure on 3 aspects, which is quality, time, and cost. So instead of starting with I want to go local or I want to go global, we can actually analyze all these anything whatever we want in our project on these 3 aspects, and then we can start saying that okay, there is a person who is sitting somewhere else making a good product than what I am getting here. So instead of just giving a free hand to our locals, or instead of giving weightage to international people, let's be competitive about it, that who is giving best on these 3 matters. And I personally feel that we are having immense talent and skill set in India, but somehow there is a major factor of R&D, research and development, which is completely missing in India. So if we as a design fraternity, it's a tough job, but if we design fraternity come ahead and become the strong interface between the client and these craftsmen, and started building those research and development centers, that okay, you have this skill set and you have this material, so what we can develop new out of it, then we will become very competitive. We will become global for many other countries in that case. And to be very honest, being vocal has a main advantage is that we can reduce lot of carbon footprint. And I think it's a need of the hour. The projects will be more sustainable. And me being an urban designer, I have a different issue I have to face, because many a time, I have faced that after doing a master plan for a township, client says नहीं वो सिंगापुर का एक है उसके साथ collaborate कर लेते हैं. And we really, sometimes you are pissed off. अरे क्या चल रहा है, हम लोग भी वही मेहनत कर रहे हैं, same product we are also giving. But yes, now I think slowly, because of this, what you can say, use of internet and things are getting opened up, everyone is actually knowing what is happening at the every corner of the world. So we are in a competitive world right now. So we need to pull up our socks and maybe provide some good services and good products at the end.
Absolutely. Ashwina, coming to you, your opinion, and then we'll quickly wrap up. Anybody else wants to speak can raise the hand, and then we'll wrap up with Virendra Patel.
Along with, I would just like to add on one thing, like just not only thinking of using local things, if we can reuse, because I had tried on couple of my projects, like I'd done a boutique totally reusing, hunting out from the scraps, all carved windows, carved pillars, and there is a lot of stuff like so many vadas being demolished. If we can also reuse those things and really create, of course, if at all it goes with the theme, that also can be an added advantage.
Anybody wants to come in before we wrap up? Yeah, Nilay.
One thing, nowadays, people are preferring quality more than anything else. Quality. So let's say if the thing has content, if the thing has quality. Our yoga, Ayurveda has become famous. If turmeric latte can be worldwide, then definitely Indian product can do much better than this. 100% sure of it.
Viju bhai, the final comment. आपने सब कुछ सुना. Before we go to the judges, your comment over this.
Yes, vocal for local. It's a good this thing, the work, but it is not possible to ban 100% imported material. And maximum, if you talk about Pune architects and designers who are working on it, I think so 70% people will agree to have a imported material over here, because of time also. Simultaneously we have a target of say 6 months, 4 months to complete the particular residential complex or commercial things. Commercial things nowadays you need it very fast. It's only 1.5 months or so, Yogesh. Maximum what you talk about. So what everyone said, it's also right. But again, we are dependent highly on imported parts. Okay. So the finishes and the client also, everyone talked about ourselves, our design, our product, what we need, what we can do it. But many ways, many things, if you see, the client says, "नहीं ये तो मैंने इटली से लाया." So there is again what we drive today, the vehicles. Why don't we drive our Indian vehicles? Why we go with Merc, Audis, BMWs? That's again a status for the clients today's date. I feel those things. So client love to have something from Singapore, love to have something from say Italy, Milan. मी त्या मिलानला फेअर मध्ये गेलो तर हे सगळं मी बघितलं, मला आवडलं. म्हणजे हे आपल्या घराच्यासाठी आपल्याला पटेल साहेब वापरायचंय. सो यू कांट डिनाय दोज थिंग्स, मीन्स पर्टिक्युलर थिंग्स आर देयर वी हॅव टू एग्री विथ दॅट. People are making good efforts, good opportunities are there for these people, means all the artists, you say. This pandemic has taught us, okay, till date no one had thought about having many few people, designers, what I've heard now, who are in favor of doing the Indian, going with local. But maximum, if you see the designers, what I have seen in Pune, and they are again collaborated with the imported companies. They are getting material over there. Some things are there. So thank you very much, Amit.
Well spoken, Viju bhai. Before we go to the judges for the final comments, I would like to request Aditi to speak from behalf of Laze.
Because what about the after sale services when we import things? Because we are in this field from last so many years, more than 15-17 years we are working for furniture and for the interiors things, and we find many clients coming in saying that we have imported certain stuff and this got damaged, and now we want y'all to correct it, or maybe this consignment was wrong, or after 1 year the client has imported certain stuff and after 1 year they are coming like sofa ka kapda fat gaya, please change this for us, or anything like that. Isn't it a challenge to get imported stuff and get an after sale service?
As Ajay sir said that Ashish was there, when his project was going on.
Yeah.
Whereas from Bali, nobody will be coming here and being posted
That's
here.
what,
yeah.
and even
So-
we don't take any guarantee of the stuff. So even if the stuff has been ordered and it is not sent properly or it is not delivered properly, no one is responsible.
Good point, Aditi. Now coming to the judges for the conclusion. So we had withheld Raju bhai's and Santosh bhai's comments before the event. Now it's time to go all out. So we request all three to give their. We'll start with Santosh bhai, then Raju bhai, and then we go to Vishwas sir. So starting with Santosh sir.
आय थिंक सगळ्यांनाच असं वाटतं की आपण लोकली करायला पाहिजे, पण त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला खूप एफर्ट घ्यायला लागतील, तर येणाऱ्या 5 वर्षानंतर 4 वर्षानंतर त्याचा फायदा होईल. तर त्याच्यासाठी खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी आहेत. म्हणजे काही गोष्टी सांगताना राहिल्या तर एक्झाम्पल्स मी देतो, जसं की कुणाला माहिती आहे का की आपण फॅन घेतो किंवा एसी घेतो, दे आर नॉट लोकल, दे आर मॅन्युफॅक्चर इन चायना, जस्ट लेबल देअर अँड जस्ट रिपॅक हिअर अँड सेल. तर असं पण आपण मूर्ख नाही म्हणायला पाहिजे ना. म्हणून माझं म्हणणं आहे की आपण सगळ्यांनी मेहनत करून खूप साऱ्या काही आपल्या गोष्टी आहेत त्या इम्प्लिमेंट करायला पाहिजे. जसं मी मगाशी म्हणलं असं की इमिडिएटली इंडियात असं एका ठिकाणी सगळे फर्निचर मॅन्युफॅक्चरर किंवा आर्टिफॅक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरर मिळणार नाही, जसं चायनाला किंवा इटलीला आहे तसं इंडियात कमीत कमी आपण त्यांची डिरेक्टरी जरी केली आपण, किंवा पुण्यात किती आहेत, अहमदाबादला किती आहेत, कुणाला हायर रेंज पाहिजे तर काय लेवलचं आहे, त्याच्यासाठी आम्ही तुझ्यासारख्यांनी पुढे येऊन काहीतरी केलं पाहिजे. इट्स अ गुड कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल्सो. तर तसं काही केलं तर आपण नक्कीच येणाऱ्या 5 वर्षात लोकली आपण सगळं घेऊ शकतो.
या राजीव सर.
Do we really need to think of local for vocal? Why? That is the first question, why we are discussing and debating on this. Because unless we understand what will be the future of our next generation, we will not able to discuss this. 100% local may be difficult. Even Yogesh, at your project also, CCTV cameras are not at all Indian. Simplest hardware is not Indian. So there are so many things which we are still depending on. So there are different things, like Santosh was talking about the time. He wanted that his bungalow to be completed within 6 months. 6 महिन्यात पाहिजे ना.
तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का की आपण ह्याच्यातनं मोरबीतनं टाईल्स घेतो. आता लॉकडाऊन मध्ये 3 months अराउंड 70% फॅक्टरीज आर क्लोज, बिकॉज त्याचे जे बेसिक रॉ मटेरियल आहे ते चायनात नाही येतं. नाही म्हणजे जसं हा म्हणलं की योगेश सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा, खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा, पण जेवढा करोडो रुपयाची फॅक्टरी लावली त्याचं बेसिक रॉ मटेरियल, त्या टाईलची कॉस्ट 40 रुपये असेल, त्या रॉ मटेरियल जस्ट 4 rupees, आणि ते यू कॅनॉट प्रोड्यूस किंवा यू कॅनॉट डेव्हलप इन इंडिया. ते चायनावर येत नाही म्हणून फॅक्टरीज बंद होते.
So first of all, time. Now what were the projects were discussed, were the maybe residential projects or few hospitality projects. But if you go on higher scale, like some corporate building, see, talking is easy, sharing is easy, but adopting is very difficult. Even today, if you look at it, most of the 80% people are wearing westernized costumes. What local we are talking? Local means what? See, there are certain limitations like time, what Santosh was taking, technology, which I was saying, R&D, which Nirav, I think you was talking about, professionalism. The most difficulty, backward बरोबर आहे का? Whenever you work with this, कारण ते हटके असतात, त्यांना ते आर्टिस्टच असतात, त्यामुळे त्यांच्या मुळाने काम करावं लागतं त्या हिशोबाने. आणि अजय आर्किटेक्ट झोपतात म्हणून स्वप्न बघतात म्हणून चांगलं क्रिएट करतात बरं का रे. तर सगळ्यात महत्वाची गोष्ट प्रोफेशनलिझम आपल्याकडे नाहीये. ते प्रोफेशनलिझम यायला पाहिजे. त्याच्यानंतर दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे आपण आपल्या क्राफ्ट्समध्ये किती मास्टरी केली आहे, किती आपण लोकांना दाखवलं की सगळ्यात जसं आपण चायनीज बुद्ध आपल्याला खूप प्राईड असतं आपल्या इथं कुणी गिफ्ट केलं की आपण किती प्रमोट केलंय. 100% लोकल और 100% बॅन इज इम्पॉसिबल. इट इज ऑलवेज गिव्ह अँड टेक. So you can also able to export your, like Nirav is doing designing, Milind is designing in Dubai. So this is what you can do. If you do allow people working with you, they will allow working with them. So like who said, I don't know, it has to be attitude. It has to be attitude that this is my country. Whatever I am telling my client to pay, where it is going. That is just that's consciousness we have. Then we will be through. Thank you.
Hi. Actually, so many things have been spoken about, and they were very knowledgeable comments. They were very thinkers' comments. So I give a lot of all of them. And I'll have a little more anecdotes about what exactly India can do and has been doing for years, and how does it appear. Year was about late 80s, and I was working for Jain Udyog Samuh at Jalgaon. And during my visit to their entire setup, I came across that they were manufacturing polycarbonate sheets. And then around the same time, or maybe a couple of years later on, there was a requirement of polycarbonate largest roof for a corporate building in Pune that I was designing, and the polycarbonate sheet came from GE. The sheet which was manufactured in Jalgaon went to GE because they were the sole selling faculty, and then they had to, my client had to import it back to India with a fantastic cost. So that's what happens, and you never know what happens where and how does the material travel from country to country. So I think all of us are discussing on the same platform, and I thank Amit a lot for giving a momentum to this this sentence which appeared like otherwise a political slogan, but you gave a momentum, and so many of you responded to that momentum, and they came out with so many fantastic designs. I am really overwhelmed, and thank you all.
I take this opportunity once again to thank our guests of honor, our chief guest Vishwas sir, for being the sole jury also for the competition and coming today as a chief guest. Thank you so much, Vishwas sir. Santosh sir for being our guest of honor, Rajiv sir for being our guest of honor. I thank the Sound Factor, arguably the largest audio video experience center, Sound Factor, for being our official sound partner. And last but not the least, Shailendra bhai and Aditi ji, many appreciated your store, and I hope everybody loves your products and keep coming back to you. Thank you so much, and thanks to all of you who decided to spend a Sunday afternoon in summer discussing an important topic. Instead of staying at home watching TV, you gave up all that a Sunday afternoon for this. Thank you so much.
Let's put our living stereo stylus in this groove.